The human sense of smell, the most emotional of the senses. Among the 5 human senses, smell is often treated as the least important. Vision dominates culture, sound shapes communication, and touch defines intimacy. Smell, by contrast, tends to remain unnoticed until it disappears. Yet the human sense of smell is one of the most ancient, emotionally powerful, and neurologically fascinating systems we possess. Smell begins when airborne molecules enter the nose and bind to specialized receptors high in the nasal cavity. Humans have hundreds of different types of these receptors, allowing us to distinguish an extraordinary range of odors. While we are often told that humans have a weak sense of smell compared to animals, recent research challenges this assumption. In fact, humans can detect and differentiate far more scents than previously believed, especially when those smells carry emotional or personal significance. What makes smell unique is its direct connection to the brain. Unlike sight or hearing, olfactory signals bypass the brain's sensory relay center and travel straight to regions involved in emotion and memory. This neurological shortcut explains why smells can trigger vivid, involuntary memories. A brief scent of perfume, smoke, or freshly baked bread can instantly transport a person decades into the past, recalling people and places long forgotten. This phenomenon is not poetic exaggeration but biological design. Evolutionarily, smell played a crucial role in survival. It helped early humans detect danger, find food, and assess social information. The scent of decay warned of spoiled food, smoke signaled fire, body odor conveyed information about health and genetic compatibility. Even today, smell subtly influences human behavior, from appetite to attraction, often without conscious awareness. Modern life, however, has altered our relationship with smell. Urban environments, air pollution, and artificial fragrances constantly bombard the olfactory system. At the same time, hygiene products and deodorants are designed to erase natural human scents, reflecting cultural discomfort with bodily smells. As a result, we often associate smell with cleanliness or disgust rather than information and memory. The COVID-19 pandemic dramatically reminded the world of smell's importance. Loss of smell, once considered a minor symptom, emerged as a deeply distressing experience for many patients. People reported emotional numbness, reduced appetite, and a sense of disconnection from reality. Food lost its pleasure, familiar environments felt strange, and daily life became flatter. These experiences revealed how closely smell is tied to well-being and identity. Smell is also gaining renewed attention in science and medicine. Researchers are exploring its role in early diagnosis of neurological conditions, as changes in smell perception can precede symptoms of diseases such as Parkinson's or Alzheimer's by years. In psychology, scent is increasingly used to study emotion, memory, and even decision-making. Despite its power, smell remains difficult to describe. Language struggles to capture scents with precision, often borrowing terms from taste, touch, or emotion. This limitation may explain why smell feels intimate and private, experienced more than spoken. The human sense of smell is not a weak or secondary sense, but a quiet one. It works in the background, shaping memory, emotion, and behavior without demanding attention. When we pause to notice it, smell reveals itself not as a minor sense, but as a deeply human one, linking biology, experience, and emotion in a single breath.